This is just a random idea I had for 10 random flower facts. Flowers first evolved between 250 to 140 million years ago. Angiosperms, those are flowering plants, are the most diverse group of plants on the planet, ranging from an estimated 250 to 400,000 species. A sunflower isn't just this one flower, but numerous tiny flowers. The most expensive rose in the world is a Juliet rose, costing $3 million. Several families of flowering plants produce these flowers that are thermogenic to attract pollinators. That means they produce an unusually large amount of heat during the floral stages. Rhododendrons are the national flower of Nepal. A garland of them is featured on the national emblem. Tagetes erecta, also known as the Mexican marigold, or African marigold, even though it's originating in the Americas, were grown by the Aztecs. It was the flower of the dead. They called it that. I tried, I can't pronounce that word. The modern celebration of the Day of the Dead in Mexico still uses these marigolds as a symbol today. We developed a flower pollination algorithm based on flowering plants that could be used in areas such as optimization, image recognition, and economic and emission and dispatch problems. These are only a few of its uses. Dictamus albus is known as the burning bush plant or gas plant because during the heat of the summer, the old flowers and seed pods will produce a flammable oil that can easily be ignited if the air temperature is too high or someone places a match close enough to it. It will produce a sudden flash that burns so quickly it has no effect on the plant. The reason for this phenomenon is unknown. Some have suggested it uses this as a means of clearing brush from around it by burning the other plants. There is no evidence to suggest this is the case. It may simply be a neutral trait with no advantage or disadvantage to the plant. So, how many of these random facts did you know? Let me know in the comments.